Early mathematical skills are very bombarded right from the children when they are at the early ages. And isn't it a challenging nature of math? Well, it is. Counting is usually the first basic math skill that most of our younger children learn, but it is also important that they also understand that numbers represent quantities and do have relationships with other numbers. Addition helps children master these relationships between numbers and help them understand how quantities can relate to one another. Hello everyone, this is Divya and I welcome you all to our math lesson. To perform this simple addition, we will be using addition strip board. As you can see in the picture, this board is divided into squares across from right to left, and we have 11 squares from top to bottom. And you could also observe the numbers which is written on top, that is from 1 to 18, and 1 to 10 numbers are written in red, and from 11 to 18 they are written in blue. Don't forget to ignore that there is a red line that divides the board vertically after the number 10. Then we have two sets of strips. One set is blue with symbols from 1 to 9 and the other set is red, which is subdivided into squares by the blue lines. So this is the material that we will be using in our lesson today. Children are always introduced to the reference chart when it comes to addition. These reference charts are mounted on a wooden board. You can also make it as a DIY. It helps children to refer to the problem statement that they are doing while performing the addition. So this is from a table of 1 to table of 9. This is another reference chart too. The teacher can pick up the charts according to the interest. Before you get started with the presentation, always make sure you have a table of addition ready for you to perform the addition. Now arrange the addition strip board accordingly. Always make sure the board is placed in the center and the strips are arranged in sequence from 1 to 9. Now pick up a problem statement. For example, I have chosen 4 plus 3. You can choose the number 4 from the blue strip and the number 3 from the red strip. Now, once you arrange it in the sequential form, you could find out the answer that 4 plus 3 is pointing to 7. Always cross-verify by taking up a strip. Now you could see that 4 plus 3 would equal to number 7. I have chosen the number equivalent from the red strip. That shows that the answer is 7 for the problem statement of 4 plus 3. Now you can repeat the same, but always make sure that the child will know about the red line. That means it shows us that the number is bigger than 10. Let the child replace more strips and you could also give them the problem statements. You could refer always to the addition problem statement or the charts which I showed you in the first slide. Take a look at some more examples. 7 plus 3, 8 plus 4. You could also give more practice statements like what makes the number 11, 2 plus what makes number 11, 6 plus what makes the number 11. This could also be one of the possibility that you give for children so that they practice the addition better. Now, you can also make these little booklets which gives a very precise way to perform the addition. This is a booklet of 1. So you could add numbers like 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 5 and so on, and sequentially or gradually increase the number addition. So this is a very helpful trick for all our children to do systematic addition in our classroom. I hope this exercise was helpful. Stay tuned for the next practical exercise using the same material in my next session. Until then, it's bye from Divya.